everybody does in the cardboard hobby. Breaking out 2015 Leaf full-size helmet. It's a $1. Teams and owners, we got, let's see who we got here. We got Ben S. with the Cardinals, Falcons, Bills, Bears, Broncos, Lions, Texans, Saints, Raiders, Eagles, Titans. Bob L. with the Redskins, Brad W. with the Browns, Donald M. with the Jags and Dolphins, Frank R. with the Cowboys, Jason L. with the Ravens and Chiefs, Ronald A. with Panthers, Bengals, Packers, Colts, Vikings, Patriots, Giants, Jets, 49ers, Seahawks, and Rams, Spencer H. with the Buccaneers, Timothy C. with the Chargers, and William P. with the Pittsburgh Steelers. All right, guys, here's our box around this. Same rules apply as always, guys. If it's a college team, for example, Teddy Bridgewater's Louisville helmet, it would go to the Vikings, obviously. Manziel would be the Browns. You know, he's not there anymore. He's drafted by them. He played the most games with them. So that's how we run it. There's our sticker, guys. You can see that. This way we go. See a little better. Their sticker all sealed up. So good luck, everybody. Avalanche here. Seinfeld. All right. Here we go. Good luck, guys. And our sticker one more time so you guys can see a little bit about the plastic on there. All sealed up. Good luck. I have a feeling we're gonna get a sweetness one tonight. I got that feeling. All right, so I can see the nameplate. See the logo. We're rolling with the Steelers tonight. Pittsburgh. It's your boy Jack Ham. With a massive auto. This is a sweet looking helmet. He saw that thing huge. Look at that. It's the whole helmet up. Pittsburgh Steelers, Jack Ham, Hall of Fame, 88 inscription. Your COA? There's your COA. It's a nice one. Jack Ham, Hall of Fame 88. That thing is, that's a massive auto too on here. Pretty cool. Hall of Fame 88. Jack Ham. Nice helmet for Pittsburgh. Congrats to the Steelers. If you guys have any questions, I'll hang around for a few minutes here. And then I'll be back in like 15 minutes for the certified break. So